Hey, what's up everybody? Todd here from Image Wash Products. Working on a car seat today, showing you kind of what our all-purpose degreaser does and our Quest Conquer foam spray. So I ran a tape line there to show you kind of separating the sides, and I'm going to treat this side right here. It's been a long time since they've been cleaned, so it'd be a great demonstration to show you how these products work. This is our all-purpose degreaser that we sell. This is diluted down, so I put 8 ounces of product concentrate in there and the rest water, shake it up. And then this is our carpet cleaner that we sell. I haven't found one better than this yet. Basically, you can do 2 things with this. You can foam it on and let it sit, and then I'll agitate it with a good stiff brush here. Or if you just have light cleaning, you spilt something, coffee, whatever, in your truck or car, and you want a quick clean up, this stuff works great. Just foam it on, take a microfiber with some water on it, and just kind of agitate it in on the stain, and then take another microfiber and dry it off. While we're waiting, you can kind of see some yellowness coming up through the foam already. So basically what that's doing is releasing the dirt in the fabrics. I'm going to agitate it and then turn on the steamer, and we're going to suck it out. So here's the before. You can notice just a lot of dirt, grime, whatever you want to call it's in the seat, and there's kind of the after. You can see a couple of those spots in there yet, but might have to agitate those and pre-treat them again. But you can see the difference for the most part. It thoroughly does its job, and yeah, any of these products you can find on our website at washproduct.com. Okay, so here's the seat. Before I start, like I said, just gonna foam a little spot so you guys can see how it works. Not using a shampooer. You can see a little bit of the grime starting, so I'm not even gonna use a brush. I'm just gonna let it sit there for a minute and then agitate it with a microfiber. Right there. Probably not gonna get this very good because that's got some road time on there. Put a little water on there, the old water bottle. Agitate. Like I said, if your seats are just lightly dirty, this is a great way to maintain. If they're dirty like that, you probably want to get them shampooed by a detail company and or yourself if you got the equipment. But that's kind of the difference by hand. Now, I will tell you that shampoos are great because, yes, I did agitate this with the rag, but did I get all the shampoo and the dirt out? No, not really. So that's where a shampooer comes in great, because it actually pulls the dirt and that grime out of the fabric, but even to the foam that's underneath. You can see, once again, that was by hand, that's machine, that's before. Okay everyone, here comes the fun part. I'm going to show you how dirty those seats were and what this foam extractor, carpet extractor, cleans. So that's what I pulled out using our carpet cleaner, lemon scented, and our all-purpose cleaner and degreaser. Thanks for watching. Happy cleaning.